Hey guys, आज का वीडियो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है. This video is gonna be in Hindi, so sorry guys if you're English speaker, you can skip the video. So आज मैं अनबॉक्स करने वाला हूँ अपना iPhone 12 एंड ये मैंने Apple के ऑफिशियल स्टोर से मंगाया है. एंड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई वाज थिंकिंग कि आई नीड एन अपग्रेड बिकॉज इससे पहले मैं अपना iPhone 7 यूज कर रहा था, iPhone 7 Plus. So I'm going to break the seal now. एंड सील ओपन कर दिया मैंने. तो दिस इज माय iPhone 7 Plus जो मैंने आज से 4 साल पहले खरीदा था. एंड इट स्टिल वर्क्स फाइन बट देयर आर सम इश्यूज जो मैं अभी डिस्कस करूंगा थोड़ी देर में. सो बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई हैड टू फाइनली गो फॉर एन अपग्रेड. तो गाइस दिस इज माय फर्स्ट अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो, सो अगर कुछ ऊपर नीचे होता है जस्ट गिव मी फीडबैक. Whatever new gadgets I'll get, I'll unbox them as well. So let me open the box. So अभी मैंने seal open करी है. तो ये काफी यूनिक पैकिंग है एप्पल वालों की. आई डोंट नो कि अगर आप Amazon से मंगाओगे तो आपको सेम पैकिंग मिलेगी क्या, बट yeah, it was good. I got it from Singapore and let's talk about the general things about this one. So ये iPhone 12 बेस मॉडल है. इसके अंदर 128 GB की सेकेंडरी मेमोरी है और 4 GB रैम है. So let's open this. Okay, one unique thing about this phone, if you can notice, this looks like a 5. लाइक जो ये लोग ने डिजाइन बनाया, इट लुक्स लाइक अ 5. लाइक इसका इट लुक्स लाइक 5. सो बिकॉज इट्स 5G फोन, तो सबकॉन्शियसली डिजाइन को ऐसा बनाया. लेट मी ओपन इट. ओह, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट पील इट ऑफ. ऐसे पील कर सकते हैं, स्लोली यू कैन पील इट ऑफ. सो yeah, it still has the premium feeling. As you can see, box बहुत छोटा हो गया. Before this, in every iPhone, the boxes used to be huge. Why this box is so small, we'll discuss the reason later on. As I think you all know. So before this, let's open the box like this. So बहुत लोगों का इसी टाइम पे फोन गिरता है, so I'll be really careful, really careful. If I open the box. Yeah. So box open हो गया है और ये जो इसके ऊपर एक वाइट सा लगा रहता है, ये इसमें चिपक के बाहर आ गया. So yeah, the phone is here. This is the first time I'm touching my own phone, and this phone I'm gonna use it for at least 2 to 3 years. यही plan है. So let me open this. Wow, amazing. So this is the phone. Touch and feel में, as expected, it's really nice. Okay, so let's discuss ki when I wanted to upgrade from this iPhone 7 Plus, why did I upgrade to iPhone 12 and not iPhone 11? क्योंकि iPhone 11 काफी सस्ता हो गया है, and I was also considering that, but there are 3 to 4 points जिसकी वजह से I upgraded to the iPhone 12 and not iPhone 11. First of all, it's latest. So this is the first phone Apple का जिसमें 5G है. Till iPhone 11, I don't think there was 5G. So we have to be future ready. हो सकता है सिंगापुर में जल्दी ही 5G launch हो. So I needed a 5G phone. Second thing is इसका जो कर्व है, you can see here, it's like iPhone 5 वाला कर्व, and I like this curve because it's more, what should I say, मतलब it fits my hand better. क्योंकि अगर ये जैसे देखते हैं अपन iPhone, इससे पहले के सारे iPhones में कर्व आता था, ये वाला कर्व. So इससे क्या है ना, फोन फिसलता है बहुत, हाथ में टिकता नहीं है, but the grip is really nice in this iPhone. The third reason why I chose iPhone 12 over iPhone 11 is its durability. because of the body, as you can see here, because of the body, I think इनका इन लोग ने drop test किया था, and this phone is less prone to breaking if you drop it. I think we should not drop a phone, but कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि गलती से phone गिर जाता है. So I don't want my phone to break very easily. So I think durability wise, it looks like a very fine product. पीछे glass दिया हुआ है, and it's very nice. Now let's talk about the elephant in the house. No charger. गिर गया. No charger. So this is something that really sucks, and I don't know कौन इस idea को approve किया. Like, if you are giving a phone, why will you not give me a charger? The other point is you get this cable, which is a lightning to USB cable, but I cannot use this cable because मेरे पास जो भी charger है, that is like a USB to lightning. So I don't know who expects this कि मेरे पास किसी पुराने phone का charger पड़ा होगा. Why will I purchase a charger separately? If I want to use this cable, I have to purchase a charger separately. So I very likely I won't use this cable at all. So this is like very weird. You give a phone, but you don't give a charger, and you say कि environment friendly है. I don't think अगर environment का इतना concern है, तो phone भी environment friendly नहीं है, कुछ भी environment friendly नहीं है. Charger से ऐसा क्या environment बचाने वाले हैं? I don't understand. But it's okay. I am being a bit more cynical, but that's what it is. That's my honest feelings. People will say कि if you have such problems with Apple, then why are you buying Apple products? But I like the product. I like the look and feel. It's just that what are the lacunas? I just will mention this. So the similar kind of thing happened when I purchased this iPhone 7. So this was the first phone जिसमें ये लोग ने headphone jack हटा दिया था, and people went mad कि headphone jack कैसे हटाया. But later on people became used to it. But I don't think people will become used to this kind of behavior, like purchasing charger separately, because ये iPhone 12 है, तो ये हो सकता है कि लोगों के पास पुराने iPhone का charger होगा. But when you come up with iPhone 13, 14, 15, 16, you cannot expect that people will have chargers from their older phones. They have to, in the end, buy the chargers. And that kind of sucks. So that's how it is. Charger nahi hai. Okay, let's talk about the specifications of this phone. So I have the specs written here. So the display is 6.1 inch display. It comes with iOS 14.1 installed in this phone. And camera wise, यहाँ पे 12 megapixel का dual camera है, as you can see here. So this phone was also, like my old phone was also with a dual camera, but honestly speaking, this dual camera is kind of sucks. क्योंकि I don't know, like it was not very well polished. So at that time, like the portrait mode is good in the daytime, but in the night time it's very bad. So I think कि इस नए phone में the portrait mode will be better, much better. Also, I actually like this square kind of design. Strongly it shows up. So some people don't like this, but I'm kind of okay with the design. Actually, if you can see here, the Apple logo को थोड़ा नीचे कर दिया है. Apple logo used to be up, but I think because this was here, so इतना बड़ा Apple logo यहाँ पे लगाना शायद अच्छा नहीं होता. So they shifted the Apple logo down. और let's turn on the phone. This is my first phone जिसमें fingerprint नहीं है. I actually like fingerprint. So as you can see here, the phone is starting. So let's talk about the specs even more. Battery life is 2800 mAh, something around that. So which is fine because I never had battery issues with iPhone. But and also it comes with this MagSafe thing. But वो भी अपने को separately purchase करना है. But I'm actually fine with it because मैं शायद वो खरीदने भी नहीं वाला हूँ. I'm okay with तार से charge करना. And I don't need wireless charging also because when I'm charging my phone, I actually like to use my phone. So this you can see the phone is getting started. If you can see. Also, let's talk about the front camera. So front camera is also 12 megapixel, back camera is also 12 megapixel, but here it's a dual camera. So of course quality will be much better and much sharper. 12 megapixel is also good enough. RAM is still 4 GB. So this is something very unique about Apple, that all the phones are, like all flagship phones from the other companies, are reaching towards 8 GB or something. They're still maintaining this 4 GB. I think their memory management is quite good. That's why people don't feel lag. But otherwise, I don't know how they manage in 4 GB space. Apart from that, let's talk about the upgrade part. Like why I actually had to upgrade. People say that this phone still looks good enough, and actually it is good enough. It's a red phone. I actually wanted to buy a red iPhone again, but this red is different from the red that these people are offering. So I like this shade of red, but the product red model for the iPhone 12 is not the same shade of red, and I don't like that one. Also, black is quite okay. Black is favorite for everybody when phones are concerned. So yeah, I went with the usual choices. Till the time it's getting started, let's see what comes here. So you get a pin. Of course, ये pin वो है जो हम सब घुमा देते हैं, and we later on use the any kind of other kind of pin, but not this pin. Like very few people. If somebody has this pin, that means he's a very disciplined guy. Just how people lose it. There's some kind of manual, and yeah, Apple sticker. So, you know what? In the whole box, the most useless thing I find is this Apple sticker. So if you are removing useless things like charger is useless for you, headphones is useless for you, then why this is useful? I don't understand. Like, कहाँ लगाओगे इसको? Why we have this Apple sticker in every box of the Apple product that we get? But yeah, it's okay. मेरे पास पुराने iPhone के भी Apple sticker अभी तक पड़े हुए हैं, मेरे MacBook के Apple sticker पड़े हुए हैं. So it's okay. It's life. And let me put it back. So talking about SIM card, this phone comes with 5G. So currently I have a 4G SIM card. It is a dual SIM phone. So one will be the normal SIM, the physical SIM, and the other will be the eSIM. eSIM बहुत सारी countries में आया नहीं है. So actually it's technically a dual SIM phone, but practically a single SIM phone because many countries still do not have the eSIM concept. Apart from that, actually, I think this was my first unboxing video and I went into review mode. And that's why I'm not appreciating the beauty of my new phone. It's saying me hello and I'm saying bad things about it. I should not. Actually, I should appreciate my investment. This is my new iPhone 12. And I am loving my phone. I'm loving the touch and feel and everything of the phone. And it is as good as expected. And let's talk about the price to end the video. This phone I got for $1,369 in Singapore. So India में इसका price थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. I'm not sure. And it seems kind of a good investment for me because I am not a person who keeps on changing his phone every year like many other people. I change my phone in every 2 to 3 years. This phone I kept on using for 4 years and it's still going okay. So the problem with this phone is इसमें lag आता है थोड़ा सा अब और it was a 256 GB phone and this is a 128 GB phone. So it's kind of a downgrade memory wise, but other spec wise it's quite an upgrade. Charger I have, so I should not complain too much about it. Headphones I do not need because I have AirPods, so that's also fine. So overall it's quite a package for me personally, but if somebody is buying an iPhone for the first time, I think you should give them charger. So that's my only complaint about this phone. I'll use the phone and figure out like कि मेरे को क्या अच्छा लग रहा है क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Maybe I'll make another video about it. Just let me know in the comment section कि what are the things that I'm missing in my unboxing video. I think I have covered quite a lot of things, and to the people who did not know that I'm buying a new phone, like my mom, dad, actually nobody knew that I'm buying a new phone. Hi guys, actually I bought a new phone and I never told you, so sorry about that. So that's a way of increasing my viewership. Please watch my YouTube videos, and until next time, peace.